Hello! Another day, another review. Share ko lang yung pinagsaya namin na hotel dito sa Fairview. Ito yung way going dun sa hotel. Malapit lang to sa SM Fairview, Fairview Terraces, and Commonwealth Hospital. So, ito yung reception and lounge area. So, check-in time is 2 p.m. and then check-out time is 12 p.m. So, may security deposit na 2,000 pero marerefund din naman upon check-out. Yung na-assign sa amin na room is located lang sa second floor. May provided na rin na bottled water, coffee, creamer, sugar, and then may electric kettle. Ito naman yung mini fridge. Ito naman yung way going sa toilet and bath. So, as you can see, meron dito sink, meron hair dryer, and then meron na ring dental kit. Meron na ding tissue, bidet, and then ito naman yung bathtub. So, meron na rin ditong hot and cold shower. Provided na rin yung shampoo, conditioner, and yung towels. Ito naman yung TV, and then meron nga din pala ditong mirror, at andito na rin yung mga socket. At ito naman yung 2 double bed. So, as you can see, very basic lang talaga yung room. So, if you like this hotel, you can book it via Agoda using my Agoda promo code Candy Agoda for discount. Ito yung dining area and dito na rin sinaserve yung breakfast. So, kasama na dun sa binayaran namin yung plated breakfast. During our stay, natsyempohan namin na fireworks display. So, yan yung view from our window. Ito naman yung view from second floor. Meron nga rin pala ditong basketball court. Ito naman yung pool area.